Dying.
Buddy, should we start off with telling what the hell you did?
Shit.
This drunk ass here sells his tisses and then buys some 24 by 14s on 37s. About some fuels. Oh, still leaking fuel. Buddy, this thing's pissing fuel everywhere, dude. This whole, look at this, is all fuel. Look at all the way down to the road, dude. Yeah. Is Chuck gonna repay for all this? Tell him that you lost 30 gallons and it's only a 25-gallon tank. Anyway, he's gonna drop this thing off tomorrow because they're gonna fix that shit. We're not messing with it. But anywho, 24 by 14 what? Fuel sledge? Fuel sledges.
He's got to drive by fucking twice.
Yeah. Guy tucks 37s on a leveling kit here. Anywho, let's get over here to this thing. So I did a whole install video on these headlights and I lost everything. I lost all the footage. It's all gone. So I bought these spec-D tuning headlights. They're like 140 bucks off eBay. And I bought 6K LEDs for the high and low. And
they're trash.
No, they're not trash. I wouldn't say that, but
Dodgers are trash.
Fuck, dude, shut up, man. Why? Just because yours work fine? Shut up. Anyway,
I mean, what are you gonna do? It is what it is, homie. I like that.
Anywho, dude, love that thing. Love it. Anyway, they will stay on without the truck on, and as soon as I start it, they flicker and shut off. So, bought these.
Yeah, you don't have your blinker on these flash too.
Huh?
Isn't that weird?
Yeah, I don't know why it does that. Trash. I'm hoping that this right here is gonna do it. I waited like freaking probably a month, a little over a month for these things to come in. They still say that they're lost in transit, but they're here. They're here. So we're gonna take these things apart and try and thingy these things in there. You got two 10 mils right here, and you come back yonder in here.
And then you got how much for something back yonder. Yeah,
then you got a how much for something right there. Anyway, you got one there. Buddy's gonna record it for a second.
No, I'm not.
No, you have to.
Got my Crocs off.
Dude, don't worry about your damn Crocs.
Crocs off, Crocs off.
Oh, look what's missing. Why would it not be, dude? I mean, in all honesty, why would it not be?
You wanna know why? Hidden gem right there, boys.
Bro, we should sell this, dude.
20 bucks.
This is the only one left in the world, I guaranteed you.
Only deep well, too. The old switchies. The old switchnacks.
All right, grab a...
Hey, look where the 10 mil's going.
Red pop.
Come back 10 mil.
Here, bro. Imagine that. Why would it not?
Imagine that. Why your battery not?
Yep. Buddy.
Got him.
Got him. So, all right, dude, I need your help on this.
Out and in.
Remember what we did with the wires here, how we determined this. Yeah, obviously, black was ground.
Yeah.
And was it the green? It's the middle wire is your power, right? To run your halos. Shut up.
Sorry.
Dummy. I'm gonna stab you, dude. No, it was the middle wire, though, right?
Yes, sir.
The middle wire?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But on my truck, the wires were reversed. The middle wire on this side was the same color as the outside wire on this one. Yes. So don't go off wire colors here. Just go off middle wire in your turn signal plug. And then your black is your ground. So, yeah, and I wire loomed this, or put some shrink tubing on it. Got those guys in.
Shroomed it.
I'm not sure how I feel about this here, but I'm just going to do it for now.
How do I feel about this?
There's obviously fans. All right, so we got it plugged in. Kind of irritated me at first because literally the second that I turned it on, I flashed twice, kind of slow, like flashed, waited like 3 seconds, flashed again, and now it's staying on. But
does that flash?
The high?
Yeah.
I don't know. Here.
That's why you don't buy Dodge, folks. That one's off, but this one's on. I mean, it worked. It's just shitty that it fucking has to flash.
Right. I mean, whatever. I just need to be able to drive. I installed these headlights like freaking 3 weeks ago, and I was trying to edit the video and lost everything, but thanks, man. I mean, I just need to be able to see at night. That's the biggest thing here. So I know you guys are gonna love this. If you don't, huh. Yeah, check out that sumbitch. All right, so yeah, we're gonna put this other one in. Put this thing back in. Oh, I don't know, probably something.
Lamade, dude, best thing ever known to mankind, right there.
And now there's something else going on with it. I think the U joints in the steering shaft are going out in it, because every time I turn it thumps. But we'll put these guys in real quick. And all right, buddy and I got a big fucking debate here. Is this labeled wrong? Is the out supposed to be coming out of that factory harness, or is it supposed to be in going out to the headlight? I think it's supposed to be, it's coming out of the truck. Wait, hold on. No, that one is labeled wrong. Yeah, in. I got the in up here, like how you said.
From the truck?
Yeah, and then out.
I'm a fucking genius. No, you're wrong. Look it.
No, watch.
Turn around. What's wrong?
No, it's not.
No, you're right. Yeah, it was labeled wrong.
That side's labeled wrong.
Because I'm a genius.
That side has...
No debate. Just kidding.
Yeah, no debate. What'd you say you over?
I'm over these cheap-ass fucking eBay headlights that you keep fucking purchasing.
Okay. Okay, yeah, he's right. They are cheap.
Okay.
They're 140 bucks.
Listen, I don't mind going on a budget, but if you fucking ball on a budget and the shit's trash, then you should have went fucking full port.
No. So look. This is where he's got it wrong. This is where I got it wrong. Yeah, whatever. I don't care about that. It's not the headlight's fault. It's my truck's fault. Something about the 07s.
They're trash.
Or 07. I don't even know if it's 07. If it's just Dodge in general. Everything I've put in this truck with LEDs will not work right. These things flicker on and off whenever they want. Turn signals hyper flash. My dome lights I put in. I made a video on that too. And anyway, my camera died, so now I gotta use my phone again, like always. Every single thing in this truck, or anything that I have on this truck that's LED, has something going on with it. Every one of these dome lights, for, I don't know, maybe 10-20 minutes after I shut the truck off, they stay very, very, very dim. They just won't shut off right away. And same thing with my rock lights. My rock lights do the same thing. My rock lights just turn on blue, so I got to figure that out. But it's everything in this truck that's LED has an issue. So, yeah, that's basically it for this right here. I installed these like 3 weeks ago. They flashed and they would turn off as soon as the truck started. So I bought these load resistors. So supposedly that was going to take care of the problem. But some people say you got to buy, you're going to have to run like either a relay or an inline fuse or something to the actual bulb. I don't know. I got to look up some information. I can post that later on. But I'm going to go drive around and see if it works. I'll put some comments below or something, see how it did. I still like the look of them. It's not the headlight's fault. They came with our trucks come with H13 bulb type, and these come with an H1 bulb type. So I bought H1 6K LEDs for the high and low, and then I bought the 6K switchback turn signals too. These things hyper flash, so I'll probably have to do something for that. All right, guys, so I have still having issues with it when I turn the regular lights on, like the highs and lows. They'll turn on, they'll both stay on for a second, and they both start flashing again. And yeah, it's pretty much doing the same shit. I'm over it. But I did realize that if I turn just my running lights on, and and at night as soon as I put my truck in drive, they'll come on and they'll both stay on at that point. So I don't really care from this point, but I'm still gonna do some research and try and figure out what I got to do to get them to work properly. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the dome lights and then the rock lights I put on. So that's pretty much it for this video. We ain't really doing a whole lot until this weather clears up. So just stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We have a video coming up about another giveaway. I got some merchandise getting made right now. So yeah, stay tuned.